Hi, greetings of the day. Welcome to the final demo of computer graphics CSCI 5229 at University of Colorado Boulder. This is a final project presentation. I have implemented a road rash game of 90s and 2000s, a very basic implementation of it. On my first screen, as you can see, there are some controls for a basic movement of the car. I'll press the space bar to start the game, and we can just directly jump into a beautiful scene where I'll be a little bit explaining about the scene first. I have an option on the screen which says S, and we can see a beautiful effect of the snowy environment which can be seen. This particular snowy effect has been implemented by me using the particle engine concept, where there is there is a limit to a particular particle where there are x, y, z position decided, and the movement of x and z has been also randomized. The movement of the y, that is from the top to the bottom, has a deceleration and acceleration, which gives us actual effect in a real scenario. The particle by itself is more like a circle. There is not much texture applied to it. We can also go back and close the snowy weather, and we can come back to it if it's required. As of now, I'll be keeping it off so we can move forward and see what's else in the screen. Moving forward, we can see there are some house, which is a basic implementation using cuboids and chords. There is a fort or a gate-like system, which can be an entry point to a new town. It's more of a circular thing which has been used, and a pole structure has been made, which is more of a cube and a pole combined. There is a rib on the top of it. There are some blocks which, such as the tires, which are lying around on the road. You can see on the left there is some traffic signals as a part of the actual environment. There is a well which I like to see, which is there in a village like system. So it took a little bit of time to get the positions right there. There was a lot of stuff done from the scratch. The positioning took much more time than I thought. So like one more animation or more effect which have been shown as the windmills which are lying around, and there is an continuous animation of rotation. It's been done using GL rotate, which is provided by OpenGL. I'll be just restarting right now this particular game so that we can play the game from scratch. Let's see what happens. Yes, I'll go to the full screen. I'll press the space bar to start the game, let the snow go on. Then I have a car to compete with. If I'm in very close proximity of the end, press the space bar, it goes away. Oh, that's wonderful. So once you see, if you go away above, we can see there is a river which is there in this countryside, and there's a bridge which I had to cross. There is other things which are there. I'll just restart it again so that we can see the game. The game is over, and a game second right now, which is like, because it's a competition of between 3 cars. Let's restart it, and let's go move forward and talk about the close proximity thing, and then about the river animation. So this is the thing which has been implemented. Let's go on top of this bridge and stand there for some time.